Some people are good at solving simple problems. But to observe someone's ability to solve complex problems and their performance under pressure, you can try assigning them complex or tedious tasks. Under pressure, observe whether they can remain calm and efficient. Through such tests, you can not only see their actual abilities but also uncover their hidden talents. Pressure is often the touchstone to test whether someone is exceptional. This method aims to test a person's true level and potential through challenging tasks. After understanding the meaning, let's look at the specific approach. First, assign tasks involving multiple steps or requiring comprehensive abilities to the person and observe their problem-solving skills. Second, set time pressure, requiring the person to complete the task within a tight deadline to see their time management skills and stress resistance. Third, increase the difficulty of the task and observe how the person completes the task under limited resources or unfavorable conditions to see their creativity and adaptability. Fourth, always pay attention to the person's psychological state to avoid excessive pressure leading to negative emotions. Above are all the approaches. Let's see how they are reflected in cases. For example, a tech company needed to develop a new product and decided to assign the project to a mid-level engineer. First, the company assigned tasks involving design, development, testing, and other steps to the engineer. During the R&D process, the engineer coordinated the design, development, and testing teams to ensure the project progressed on schedule. Then, when encountering technical difficulties, the engineer proactively researched solutions and successfully overcame the challenges. Finally, through the engineer's efforts, the complex project was completed successfully. The product received positive market feedback, and the company confirmed the engineer's comprehensive abilities, eventually promoting them to project manager. This shows that through complex tasks, one can judge a person's problem-solving abilities. For example, an advertising company received an urgent order and needed to complete an ad design within 3 days. First, the boss assigned this task to a designer, requiring them to complete it within the tight deadline. After receiving the task, the designer quickly made a plan, efficiently completed the draft, and communicated with the client for revision feedback. Under time pressure, the designer remained calm and delivered a high-quality work on time. Finally, the client was very satisfied with the design, and the company established a long-term cooperative relationship with the client. This shows that through time pressure, one can confirm the designer's efficient execution ability and stress resistance. For example, in company management, after Steve Jobs returned to Apple, he wanted to find someone with real design talent. He did not directly promote someone, but assigned different tasks to multiple designers to observe their creativity and execution. Eventually, Jobs discovered Jonathan Ive's exceptional talent in product design and promoted him to Chief Design Officer, leading the design of revolutionary products like the iMac and iPhone. Therefore, by assigning complex or tedious tasks, one can judge a person's true talent and adaptability. In practical application, pay attention to the following. First, the tasks assigned should be challenging but not beyond the observer's ability range. Otherwise, it may lead to failure and loss of confidence. Second, during the task, provide appropriate support and guidance to avoid making them feel isolated. Third, the evaluation criteria should be objective, avoiding personal bias affecting judgment. Fourth, always pay attention to the person's psychological state to avoid excessive pressure leading to negative emotions. This lesson emphasizes testing a person's abilities, stress resistance, and adaptability through complex tasks, time pressure, increased difficulty, and observing the response process. Combined with practical cases, it analyzes its application in the workplace and education, helping learners master this method of understanding human nature and improving their ability to judge and cultivate talent potential.